Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss lesson 11, the virus part 2. So let's start this video. Types of virus. Virus can be classified by their infections target into the following types. Boot virus. These viruses infect the boot record या master boot record. They replace the boot record that is responsible for loading the operating system in memory by copying it elsewhere. Boot virus becomes active at the time of booting the machine. Examples: disk killer, stone virus, etc. The name of the boot virus means boot virus infected the boot record means when your system open means operating system is open at that times boot virus uh, perform work. So example of the boot virus: disk killer, stone virus, etc. Second one is the program file virus. Program file virus. These viruses infect executable files, programs such as those with extension like .com, .exe, .ol, .drv, .sys, etc. These programs get loaded in the memory during execution. The virus becomes active in memory by replicating itself and infecting files on the disk. The example of program file virus are Sunday, Cascade, etc. The name of the program file virus means program virus infected the executed files program which extension .com, .exe, etc. This program is loaded on the memory during execution. The virus become active in memory by replacing itself means multiple copy replacing itself and infected these files. The name of the program file virus Sunday, Cascade, etc. Next one, the macro virus. Macro viruses are used on other applications macro programming language to distribute themselves. They infected documents such as MS Word, MS Excel, and are typically spread to other similar documents. This macro virus use another application uh, and they infected documents such as MS Word, MS Excel, and the type typically spread other similar document means this macrovirus infected the documents like MS Word and MS Excel. Next one, the symptoms. Virus symptoms. Virus can cause problem in a computer in many ways such as first point, decrease the speed of computer by decreasing the memory, causing strange movement of a pattern on the screen, displaying unusual message like your PC is stoned, etc., increasing the use of disk space and growth in file size as the virus get attached itself in many files, frequent hanging of the system, showing abnormal write protection error, displaying the change in the data against the file name in the directory when a virus modify the file, reformatting the hard disks, deleting or damaging files. Means symptoms means if you see anyone symptoms in your computer, it means in computer have a virus. Means again I repeat, what is the symptoms of virus? Decreasing the speed of computer by decreasing the memory through virus, causing strange movement of pattern of the screen, displaying unusual message, frequently hanging the systems, showing abnormal write protection error, replacing changes in data against the file name, deleting yet damaging your file. It means a virus have in your system. Next one, the preventing a virus infection. How to prevent virus infection? To prevent virus attack, follow given tips. Every PC should be required with some antivirus program. Every PC have an antivirus program. Next, always scan the pen drive before copying file. Means when you are use pen drive, then always scan your pen drive. Then after that, use. Do not install paired software. Yeah, do not install pirated means duplicate. Do not install duplicate software. Scan the hard disks twice a month. Make the backup of important files every day. Use internet and email attachment very carefully. Means these are the rules, yeah, tips to prevent from virus. Next one is the antivirus software. Antivirus software are computer programs which are designed to identify, prevent and remove viruses from a computer. Antivirus software are computer programs which are designed to identify, prevent and remove viruses from the computer. They perform the following tasks in a computer. Means antivirus is a software, computer software, which is designed to identify and prevent and remove viruses from the computer. Here some point: scan the computer files to know the viruses matching definition from the virus dictionary. Identify the suspicious behavior from any computer program which might indicate infection. Through this you can hear the different types of antivirus software: Norton antivirus, McAfee virus scans, AVG antivirus, PC Clean, Avira antivirus, Quickly. There are so many antivirus available. Simply installing an antivirus software in your computer does not guarantee 100% protection, as the installed antivirus program would not be able to detect new virus program. We should keep upgrading our computer with latest version of antivirus program. Most of the antivirus program companies provide the facility to download the latest update from their websites. Some of the popular antivirus given below. Means you install your antivirus and time to time upgrade your antivirus, because when you upgrade then you find a new virus and detect in your computer and remove it. Otherwise they not find a new virus, they find only old virus. So time to time upgrade your antivirus to find a new virus using a antivirus software. The steps to use the antivirus software as follow. We are using the AVG antivirus software here. Likewise you can use any other antivirus like Norton antivirus, Quick Heal, McAfee, etc. Any antivirus software you use like this, which is loaded on your systems. To open AVG antivirus software, like go to Start, All Program, AVG 2012, AVG User Interface. The AVG Internet Security window appears like this. Click on the Scan option. Three options are displayed under the Scan of Threads section. To scan the whole document, whole computer, scan option. To scan any particular file or folder, select scan specified file or folder. Click the Scan Now option. The scanning process start and display the following window like this. If viruses are found, the antivirus will inform the same to the user and will either delete the virus. Yeah, means after the scannings you find any virus, then system inform the user, yeah, delete automatically. Hopefully all students understands all content of this video. If you face any problem, call my personal number or WhatsApp. Thank you.